Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Adobe Express not working. If Adobe Express isn't loading, feels unresponsive, or crashes mid-project, this walkthrough will help you get back on track with a few reliable checks you can follow in order. Start by opening Adobe Express. You can use the web version in your browser or the app on your device. Give it a moment to load, then glance at the home screen and, if possible, open a recent project. This quick test tells you whether the problem appears right away or only when you try to work on something specific. If things still seem stuck, refresh the page or restart the app. On the web, use your browser's reload button to force a fresh load of the page. In the app, fully close it and then reopen it so it starts a new session. If you've been working for a while, save any changes before you do this to avoid losing progress. A simple restart clears minor glitches and is often all that's needed. Next, check your internet connection and, if possible, try a different network. Make sure you're online by opening another website or streaming something briefly. If it's slow or failing, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or connect to another Wi-Fi network to rule out a local issue. A stable connection is essential for loading assets, syncing projects, and exporting. So this step can quickly isolate whether the problem is network related. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache and cookies, then reopen Adobe Express. Cached files can become outdated and conflict with new site updates. In your browser, open Settings, go to the Privacy or History section, and clear browsing data, focusing on cached images, files, and cookies. Be aware this will sign you out of most sites, so you'll need to sign in again afterward. Once cleared, close and reopen the browser, then return to Adobe Express and try loading your project again. Finally, update your browser or try a different browser. Adobe Express works best on current versions of major browsers. Check for updates and install them, then relaunch. If you're still having trouble, switch to another modern browser to see if the issue is specific to the one you're using. This helps confirm whether a compatibility problem is at play and often resolves rendering or performance hiccups. By opening the app cleanly, refreshing or restarting, confirming your connection, clearing cached data on the web, and ensuring your browser is up to date, you'll cover the most common causes of Adobe Express not working and get back to creating with confidence.